Everyone and welcome. Today we're going to compare two popular options for managing your money, Chime and Wise. Which one is better? Let's find out. First, let's talk about Chime. Chime is an online bank that's great for everyday banking. You get a free checking account, savings account, and even access to your paycheck up to 2 days early. It's also fee-free, no overdraft fees, no minimum balance, and no monthly fees. If you're looking for a simple, mobile-first banking experience that focuses on day-to-day spend and saving, Chime has you covered. Now on to Wise. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is designed for international money transfers and multi-currency accounts. If you send or receive money internationally often, Wise is fantastic. They offer low-cost transfers with some of the best exchange rates in the business. You can also hold money in multiple currencies, which is super handy if you travel or work across different countries. So which is really better? Well, if you're looking for an easy no-fee option for your everyday banking in the US, then Chime is a solid choice. But if you need to handle money across borders or in different currencies, Wise is likely the better option.